She's pretty aware that she has a heart issue. She talks about how Dr. Chen put a sparkle in her heart. Good. So I first found out about Sadie's condition when I was 20 weeks pregnant. She had something wrong with her heart, but they couldn't really tell. They just knew that it wasn't forming correctly. You know, it's a time we were supposed to be so excited about being pregnant and setting up the nursery and telling all your friends that you're having a girl, and it was a very different experience for me.
And when she came, we were in the hospital. She went to the NICU in order to, just check her out, make sure everything was okay. And everything was normal until about 2 months in. Once she was diagnosed with this defect, it was a lot worse than we thought it was going to be.
And I remember Dr. Chen coming to us and telling us about this 15 millimeter valve, which is tiny.
The place for the 15 millimeter valve is for little kids who are really doing badly and cannot get out of the ICU, get off the ventilator, get out of the hospital without a competent valve.
It was instantly changing for her. Her heart function improved dramatically right off the bat. In my opinion, that valve saved her life. There's no doubt.
I think the future's really bright. She has so much opportunity ahead of her to just keep growing and keep thriving.
Because of that valve. I mean, she would never have gotten here. It's an amazing thing. That's right, that's young.